Alright, listen up. It's 2025, and if your motivation is running on fumes, it's not your fault. Our brains are fried. But what if I told you there's a secret menu to hack your own motivation? It's called a dopamine menu, and it's the life-changing concept you didn't know you needed. Forget New Year's resolutions. This is your brain's cheat code for actually getting things done. So what is a dopamine menu? Imagine a restaurant menu, but instead of food, it's filled with activities perfectly curated to give your brain that little zing of dopamine it craves. You structure it just like a real menu, with appetizers, main courses, desserts, and even daily specials. It's a personalized system for pulling yourself out of that slump, one tiny reward at a time. Let's start with the appetizers. These are your 5 to 30-second instant mood boosters, the tiny hits of joy that cost you almost nothing in time or energy. We're talking about that feeling when the beat drops on your favorite song, that ice-cold splash of water on your face, the smell of freshly brewed coffee, or, and I know you know this one, watching that perfect 10-second dance clip on TikTok that just scratches an itch in your brain. Seriously? Even the sound of opening a new browser tab can be an appetizer. It's that small, that simple. You use these when you need to switch tasks but can't even stand up. You're staring at a blank document. Pop an appetizer, blast that song. Smell the coffee. It's a micro reset for your brain, giving you just enough juice to tackle the next small thing. Next up, the main courses. These are your bigger, more satisfying activities, lasting anywhere from 10 to 45 minutes. This is where you get a solid chunk of satisfaction that actually feels like a proper break. Think about getting completely absorbed in one round of your favorite video game, or diving deep into some spicy fan fiction. You know what I'm talking about. Maybe it's building a new Lego set, or falling down a hyper-specific YouTube rabbit hole, like learning about the entire history of a defunct soda brand. It could be a VR workout where you're punching dragons, or spending 30 minutes generating wild AI art. These are activities that engage you, make you feel accomplished, and properly recharge your focus. Now for my favorite category, desserts. These are your guilty pleasures. This is a strict zero-judgment zone. Desserts are the things you do that might feel a little bit silly, a little bit indulgent, but oh so good. Like buying that $3 digital sticker pack you absolutely do not need, or spending an hour hate-watching a truly terrible reality TV show. How about scrolling through reviews of Zyn pouches at 2 in the morning, even if you don't use them? Or that classic, ordering something completely useless but hilarious from Temu. These aren't productive. They're not meant to be. They are pure, unadulterated brain candy indulgence. Then you have the specials. These are the rare, often expensive, high-stakes dopamine hits. You save these for when your motivation tank is not just empty, it's been repossessed. We're talking about booking that spontaneous weekend trip you've been dreaming of, finally getting that new tattoo, buying that stupidly expensive custom-lit mechanical keyboard that clacks just right, or for the adrenaline junkies booking a skydiving session. These are the break glass in case of emergency options that provide a massive, system-shocking reset. But now for the 2025 exclusive, the category that everyone's been adding to their menu this year, digital delights. Technology has evolved, and so has our dopamine. These are the new, uniquely 2025 hits. Imagine getting a personalized, supportive voice message from your AI companion, or commissioning a custom lo-fi girl animation with your own name and avatar, studying right alongside you. How about generating a 3-minute, fully animated short film of your original character, brought to life by AI? Or just letting Grok 4 go completely unhinged in voice mode and tell you the wildest stories. And maybe, just maybe, the ultimate digital delight. Winning a heated Twitter argument with the perfect, most flawlessly crafted comeback that leaves them speechless. The chef's kiss of online validation. So, here's your homework. Go build your own dopamine menu. Write it down. Appetizers, mains, desserts, specials, and your own digital delights. The next time you're stuck staring at a wall, feeling that soul-crushing lack of motivation, don't just force it. Don't just scroll endlessly. Open your menu, pick something, and give your brain the reward it's begging for. It's not lazy, it's strategic. Now go hack your brain.